How to send Bitcoin to an external wallet on Cash App. Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to send Bitcoin to an external wallet using Cash App. First, open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app. From here, tap on the bank icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to the Money page, where you'll find various features related to your account balance. Scroll down until you reach the Explore section, as shown here. In this section, tap on the Bitcoin icon. You'll now be taken to a page displaying various Bitcoin-related options. Look for the two-arrow icon, one arrow pointing up and the other down, and tap on it. After that, a menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. You'll see two options: Receive Bitcoin and Send Bitcoin. Since we want to send Bitcoin to an external wallet, tap on the option labeled Send Bitcoin. Next, a new page will appear where you need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to send. Go ahead and enter the amount, then tap on Send. You'll now land on another page where you're required to provide the Bitcoin wallet address of the recipient. Paste the external wallet address in the space provided. You can also add a note in the text field to describe what the transaction is for. This can help the recipient identify the payment and can serve as a reference for you later. Finally, tap the Send button to confirm and complete the transaction. The Bitcoin will then be sent to the external wallet. The process is that simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching. That's how to send Bitcoin to an external wallet on Cash App.